up everybody, it's your favorite YouTubers Lily and Willow. Today we'll be making a pop-up birthday cake. Let's get started. You will need 2 pieces of A4 paper, scissors, lead pencils and coloured pencils. The first step is to fold the paper in half.
Turn the side that has the fold into you, then get your pencil and draw a cake. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once you do that, you're going to just cut the sides of the bottom piece. After you cut the sides, you're going to fold the bit that you cut upwards. Now we're going to get to the tricky part. Open it up, then bring that piece out and fold it the other way. You're also going to fold this way across that line. Then at the bottom, do the same thing. The inside should look like this. Repeat it for the whole entire cake.
This is what your finished product should look like.
So Lily's going to draw a candle and some stuff on the cake to make it nice and beautiful.
Drawing doesn't have to be the best.
And some drips. Lily, what about you add some sprinkles to that?
Okay.
Yeah, they're beautiful. Add some color. This is what your finishing product will be.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, and comment down below if this video helped you. Bye! What's up everybody, it's your favorite YouTubers Lily and Willow. Today we'll be showing you, today we'll be making,